In this example, we're going to be using the properties of logs to condense this expression. So for this very first expression here, we're going to be using the change of base formula. So the change of base formula, if you have it written as a fraction and they have the same base, you could turn this into one single log. So this top number becomes the argument and this becomes your base. So the top will be the argument and the denominator's letter will be the base. So the y becomes your base and then the top becomes your argument. So it's log base y of x. The next two expressions, I'm going to be using the power property. They have a number in the front, so we're going to be swinging that back to the exponent position. So the 8 will become an exponent and this 3 will become an exponent. So this is plus log base y of x to the 8th minus log base y of m to the 3rd. Now looking at my expression, I'm going to combine the first two. The first two are being added together. So product property says if you're adding them together, you can write this as one single log, and on the inside here of your argument, you're going to be multiplying them together. So log base y, and on the inside, we're going to be multiplying the x and then the x to the 8th. And that's minus log base y of m to the 3rd. So my first expression, log base y, my argument, x to the 1st times x to the 8th. The exponent rule says if they have the same base and you're multiplying, you add the exponent. So this is x to the 9th minus log base y of m to the 3rd. The last thing we can do is condense this as one single log expression using the quotient rule. If you're subtracting, you could rewrite them with the argument in the form of division. So log base y. So whatever is written first here becomes your numerator, and whatever is written second here becomes your denominator. So my numerator would be x to the 9th, and my denominator would be m to the 3rd. So this would be the condensed form.